Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ghost Earth in Solar Smash. First, launch the game and select Earth as the planet you wish to destroy. Next, navigate to the Weapons menu and find the Monsters category. From there, select the unique purple Ghost weapon. This special ability is key to unlocking the secret Ghost Earth. Now, for the main event. Begin repeatedly deploying the purple Ghost weapon onto the Earth. Focus your attacks on the planet's core to ensure maximum destruction. You'll need to keep punching the planet with these ghosts many times. Continue this process until a special achievement notification pops up on your screen, signaling your progress. Once you receive the achievement, it's time to confirm your unlock. Simply reset the planet to its original state. Then, head over to the Planet Selection menu. Look for the Unknown Systems category. Within this section, you should now find the Ghost Earth available, appearing as a transparent, ethereal version of our home planet. To ensure a smooth process, here are a few tips. Make sure your ghost attacks are consistent and focused on the planet. If your device experiences any slowdown, try lowering the game's graphics settings for better performance. This unlock requires a bit of persistence, so be patient and keep at it until that achievement appears. Happy smashing!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.